All right, this is the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about what's going on around the shop, special edition. Why is it special? Because there's some news that's not so great, and some other stuff that might be interesting to you. All right, this Audi I talked about in my Flat Rate Hours video. Expected to be done on either the Friday or the Monday after that video. I filmed it. It was supposed to be done either the Friday after the video I filmed that video at, or the one after that, the Monday after that. Unfortunately, it's Thursday and it's still here. Why? Because getting parts for an A8 suck. Nothing is in state. I tore a coolant hose, hose you got to remove, and it's baked on. Tore it, trying to get it off. Okay, ordered that hose. Continued working on it, but I was at a point where I couldn't go any further. Well, then I tore another hose. And it was 2 days out. So it is Thursday night and it's about buttoned up. But it's still here. Way of the world in auto repair. Sometimes you get stuck waiting for parts. All right, Bam Bam has a Tiguan getting a rear main seal. Imagine that, a 2.0 leaking. As you can see, he's already got the transmission out. He's just got to put the rear main in, button it up, test drive it, and he's done. Not a bad job, but it is what it is. His other bay's empty. All right, Zach has this F-150. Bad starter, right? No big deal. Yeah, except the Bendix drive was sticking out and destroyed the flywheel. So he had to pull the transmission. Zach and Josh's, these bays are empty. They got that work done. So they're good for Friday. But unfortunately, here's the big news. This bay is Josh's again. This is where Christian's toolbox went. Unfortunately, today was his last day. He will be missed. Personal issues, nothing to do with the shop. He is moving back to Reno. So he will be missed. He was a good kid, hard worker for sure. And so he's out of here. But welcome back at the shop anytime he needs to. Definitely for a visit, Christian. All right, Jesse, he had a BMW that needed high pressure fuel pumps. That one declined. I mean, it was stupid expensive. Hot V turbo, so rather expensive to fix. They declined that one, so he has a misfire on this one, just spark plug wires and plugs, nothing real major, and we've got a busy day tomorrow. And I leave town because I'll be headed to TST. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. And I know this is going to come out late because I'm traveling, but this did happen in March, so